Hi friends, welcome back to another unboxing video by Gothic Footwear Australia. Today we have for you the Gothica-09 Mary Jane sandals in black vegan leather by Demonia. All products that we unbox for you are available to buy online at www.gothicfootwear.com.au with free shipping for Australia and New Zealand, or you can buy them direct from Demonia if you are in a different location. Demonia or Demonia, I tend to say it both ways in these videos. Alright, now we have them out of the box, so let's take a look at what we have here. And for the smaller shoes, we have this Demonia dust bag as well. It's usually only made in one size, so sometimes larger sizes of shoes may not fit exactly. And then we also have these individual dust bags as well. Okay, and here we are. And this style is also currently available in black satin with lace overlay. I'll be dropping all the details below in the description box for this video, so you can check that out. There's the Demonia logo there. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you like this video. So we've got double straps here with skull and crossbone metal ornaments on the straps, and it's the Velcro hook and loop buckles. Very easy to adjust them and take them on and off. I feel like having a double strap makes them a little bit more sturdy. Now the platform sole height is 1 inch with a 3 3/4 inch block heel. Let us know in the comments below what you think of this style. And now we'll get the other shoe out as well. And the sizing for this model comes in women's USA sizes from 6 to 12, which also converts to the European 36 to 42. Drop a comment below of which Demonia or New Rock or TUK style you want to see unboxed next time, and we'll see what we can do to make it happen. I like the rounded toe as well. Alright, now we're going to take a few shots of them both together. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you like this video. And if you subscribe to our channel, we will know that you want us to make more of these unboxing videos. I think having a block heel makes high heels much more comfortable to walk in. So for all the details on this style and the other variation that it comes in, I'll be dropping all the details below in the description box for this video. The Gothica-09 was definitely one of our top 10 bestsellers for last year. I'm sure the same will be this year as well. They still continue to be quite popular. Well, that's all we have time for today. So come back soon to see more unboxing of your favorite styles. Thanks for watching.